So, last episode, I hung a mirror and did some decorating. And this week, we need to buy a new mattress and start to tackle the bedroom because Tim's current mattress is 15 years old. Hi. And it's starting to slouch in certain areas, and it's just time to get a new mattress. Tim, this is the first mattress. I haven't even lied on anything yet.
Well, get to it. What are you waiting on me for? It sounds like you're doing it wrong. What to tell you?
Okay, so we had tried this one in Ashley's.
It's the purple mattress.
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually kind of comfortable.
Ooh, ooh,
Right?
that is comfortable.
I'm not gonna lie, that feels good on my back.
That does feel good on my back. Oh, that does feel good on my back. I think I thought it was like foam.
I thought it was the ones you like unroll. Maybe not.
It's comfortable. Yeah, it's foam.
Before the like essential collection. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, let's not do that at the mattress store.
It's comfy. You can't feel the grid on this one. The other purple ones, you can feel the grid.
Yeah, you can definitely feel the grid on the other one, which was weird.
Yeah, and that's like that's the level 1 and the level 2.
Yeah.
This is the like super expensive one.
Yes, but this one, like when you get up, I can feel it.
Yeah.
So like if you got up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, I can feel it on my side of the mattress, which is a little bit like a pitfall.
Yeah. Let's wave mode.
Why is it vibrating?
I don't know. It is pretty.
This feels like the lazy boy. No, this feels like the lazy boy of beds.
Yeah.
The nectar's better.
Yeah.
How do you get it to go up? This like folds in half.
Yeah. That's if you want to watch. All you need is your Doritos and your SpongeBob to play, and you're there.
Hear me out. Well, the only reason why I could justify getting this would be to watch TV in bed.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Or if I can't wake you up in the morning.
You can't wake me up in the morning.
Yeah, you're a problem.
Who wakes you up every morning?
Me.
No, excuse me. I get up at 7:30 almost every morning.
I'm a bartender.
Okay, well then that just dumps your story, doesn't it?
Do you like it?
I do.
Try this one. You like that?
This one's so much squishier.
Yeah, I feel like the other one's too firm. Well, what level of squish is this? So, after testing out mattresses from 3 different stores, we decided that the Nectar mattress was not only the most comfortable of everything, but also the most budget-friendly. This is, again, not sponsored. This is just my opinion. So we decided to get the copper one because that's going to be the coolest, like in temperature. And it's on sale for $14.99. This is heavier than I thought it would be. Come here. Gotta mic you up. You did such a good job opening this, Kirby. Not going very well. Kirby did a better job than I did. Now we have to kind of remove the old mattress and then put this new mattress in. And I guess it's supposed to like expand. It's not that big. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna unfold. Get it? Unfold. Okay, so this is the old mattress, obviously. There's a lot of fur under here and a lot of toys. Dog toys. I was looking for this teddy. Or more specifically, Reggie was looking for this teddy.
Found it.
You want to keep it right here for right now?
Yeah.
There is so much dog hair under here. We might want to vacuum this first. But look at the amount of hair.
All Reggie's.
Here we go. I don't know why I was expecting there to be a bigger pop. Whoa. Okay. That's happening fast.
They seen this a regular king and not a California king? That doesn't line up with the bed.
It says Cal King on it. All right, so we've run into a bit of a snag because this is supposed to be a California King, but it's not wide enough and it's too long. Okay, so we just looked up the dimensions of the California King size mattress we just bought. This is a California King, but the mattress that you had before was sold to you by the same guy who sold you this bed frame, and he told you what size was it?
You told me it was a California king and it's not. It's a regular king.
It's a regular king size mattress, which is why you said you bought California king size sheets in the past and they didn't quite fit right.
No.
You really want me to throw your teddy right now, Reggie?
Shortly after this, we decided that it would probably be best if we just bought a new bed frame, one that would fit more with the new style of the house rather than returning the mattress and going through the whole process again. Anyways, on with the video.
Okay, so Tim and I ordered some special sheets to go on the new mattress. But the thing is that they're not normal sheets. There's something called grounding sheets. And to be completely honest with you, it sounds like a bunch of hocus pocus and like a load of bull. But before I get into all of this, I'm just gonna go throw these in the washing machine because I have to wash them before using them. I forgot to add, if you have ever heard of grounding exercises or maybe even done them, please comment down below if you liked it, if you didn't like it. I'm curious to see if it actually works on firsthand accounts. I would also like to add that I am brand new to this whole YouTube thing, so if you would like to watch my small channel grow, feel free to hit subscribe if you want. You can always unsubscribe later, but it would be a big help if you chose to. Also, this is not sponsored, so this is me just actually testing something out to see if it works. So allow me to start by saying I don't believe in a bunch of hocus pocus bull. In other words, I'm not going to tell you to chug colloidal silver and shove a crystal up your ass to solve your indigestion problems. But when the National Institute of Health does 30 years of extensive research on if something works or not, and it tells you that it does in fact work, then I'm open to trying out something new. So, Tim suffers from inflammation and has a hard time sleeping, and I suffer from anxiety. That being said, the National Institute of Health tells us that we as people in modern day society do not connect with the earth enough anymore. Because for thousands of years, we used to walk around barefoot on the grass, on the ground, whatever. So allegedly, the earth has, I think, a negative charge, which balances out our positive voltage charge. So when you make a connection with the earth, your voltage balances out to about 0. Well, in modern day society, we don't walk around, like I said, on barren earth or grass or dirt or whatever it is. Most of the time, a lot of us, or I would say most of the population, walks around on man-made materials day in and day out. So whether or not you're standing on your laminate flooring or you're constantly wearing shoes everywhere you go, the point is that you are not spending hours a day walking around in fields like we used to. So the idea is because our voltage is naturally high and we're not connecting with the earth, it leads to a series of problems like inflammation and what have you. So the idea behind grounding exercises is typically you sleep on grounding sheets, because that is the time where you have the most skin-to-skin contact with something, is when you're asleep in bed. So basically, the way that these sheets work is they are woven with silver throughout the entire thing. And then it gets connected to a port like such, which attaches to the sheets, and it is attached to the grounding port in your socket. Now, a grounding port is put into your sockets, at least in the United States, so that you don't have electrical fires and so your house doesn't burn down. So basically what ends up happening is that there is a line through your grounding port that goes straight into the earth. So this is made of plastic and this is the grounding pin. This goes into the wall and connects to the bed. Now, allegedly, the research shows that people that did grounding exercises for several hours had severely reduced inflammation, pain, anxiety, and all kinds of sort of miracle things. So I got these sheets in an attempt to combat Tim's inflammation, lack of sleep, and my anxiety. That being said, not all grounding ports are made the same. So it came with something called a grounding meter or whatever this is. And basically what you do is you plug it into the wall to make sure that your grounding port is indeed connected to the earth. And in this case, the correct one would be if these two yellow lights light up and the red one does not. So in which case, this outlet is grounded. And like I said, I'm not sponsored for anything. I don't have affiliate links, and honestly, I've never even tried this before. But because its effects are allegedly super promising and extensive research has been done, I figure that it is definitely worth a shot. I will link down below the National Institute of Health. They did extensive research over, I believe, 30 years. So if you suffer from things like inflammation, lack of sleep, pain when you wake up, and a series of other ailments, I think that it's worth looking into.
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, feel free to stay tuned for next week's episode where we teach Kirby how to ride a unicycle.